Hello everyone, welcome to Focal Point. This is the question that was asked in 2018. Okay, so we are going to see what will be the output of it. We are given these two f1 and f2 functions. Okay, so this is our main function. So I'm going to call our main function. Okay, so after that, what is given in here, we are taken two pointers in here, and these pointers are pointing to these two strings. Okay, so what is the meaning of giving this pointer as a character type? That means this pointer will be storing the address of first character in here. Okay, and we are giving these two pointers and these two strings I and y, and now our function f1 and f2 are going to call. So we are printing some strings. Okay, so let's see what will be the output of it. I've called a main function in here and given these two pointers, and these are the two strings that we have given. So I have assumed that the base address of the first string is 1000 and base address of this second string is 2000. Okay, so these 1000 and 2000 will be stored inside these pointers variable. Now I'm going to call our function f. So in function f1, what is being passed in here? So these addresses are passed, so 1000 and 2000 will be passed. Okay, so 1000 2000 will be passed in here. So what is the definition of this function f? We are taken two pointers s1 and s2, and these 1000 and 2000 addresses will be copied in here. After that, we are going to take our one more temp pointer, okay, of type character. Now I'm going to store the value of s1 inside the temp. So value of s1 is 1000, that will be stored inside the temp. Now I'm replacing the value of s1 to s2, so this value will be replaced by 2000. Okay, now 2000 will be replaced by 1000. Okay, so these are the procedure we have given in here. So these are the variable that are swiping in here. 2000 value is swiped in here, 1000 swiped in here. Okay, but this is not causing any effect inside the our main function pointer. So this value caused nothing effect in the main function. Okay, so now this is the last line. After that, this function will be popped out from the memory. Okay, so this function will be popped out from the memory. What will be printed when we'll print our string 1 and string 2? So what will be printed? These hi and bye will be printed. Okay, hi and bye will be printed. Hi and bye will be printed in here. So now I'm again going to call our function f2. Now we are going to call our function f2. So I have called the function f2 in here. So what information is being passed in here? So address of s1 and s2 is passed in here. We are going to pass our address of these pointers. Okay, so address of this pointer, we have assumed that 5000 and 6000. Okay, so now in here as a parameter we have passed the address of it. So this is the difference, we have passed the address of it. Now what is the definition of this? We have given our address of, and these address will be stored inside s1 and s2. So these are another pointer to a pointer. So these are double pointer, and this value 5000 and 6000 will be copied in here. Now we have taken the character pointer temp, and we are going to initialize with the value of it. So what is the meaning of asterisk s1? The value of asterisk s1 is 5000 in here. So asterisk s1, taking the asterisk s1. So what is the value of asterisk s1? That is the value stored inside the str1. Okay, so that is 1000. So 1000 will be copied in here. Okay, now what I'm going to do in here, s1 means 5000 and asterisk s1 means this value of this, that is 1000. Okay, and I am going to change the value by asterisk s2. What is the value of asterisk s2? s2 is 6000, asterisk s2 means 2000. Okay, so what is the meaning of this? The base address of this string is 1000, and that's why 1000 is stored inside str1, and 2000 is the base address of this string, and that's why 2000 is stored inside the str1. So what I'm going to do in here, I'm accessing the value that is pointed by s1, that is s1 is 5000, and the value inside it asterisk 5000 is 1000. Okay, so that value will be replaced by this value pointed by s2, that is 2000. Okay, so this value will be changed to 2000. Okay, and now I'm going to change the value that is pointed by s2, that is s2 means 6000 and asterisk s2 means this 2000, that will be replaced by this temp, so this value will be 1000 in here. So what is the meaning of this? Now this s2 str2 is storing the value 1000 and str1 that is storing the value 2000, so this pointer will be changed to here. Now this str1 is pointing to this 2000, okay, because 2000 is the bit address of the second string, and str2 will be pointing this first string because the base address of this string is 1000. Okay, so now pointer is swapped. Okay, so now this was the last line in here, so this function will be popped out from the memory. Okay, now we came back to our main function. So what will be happening in here? Now I'm going to print this. So what will be printed now? Previously hi and bye was printed. Now I'm going to print str1 and str2. So now str1 is pointing to this second string and str2 is pointing to this first string, and that's why bye and hi will be printed. So this will be the complete output. So now this will return 0, and this main function will also be popped out from the memory, and our output will be hi, bye and hi. Okay, this will be the output of it. So thank you so much, see you in the next video.